forward to taking a free ride all the way back into Key West. We're doing about 14, 15 knots, and he's just hanging on to the bow.